Teachers' Day is here, but do you know why we celebrate it and what makes a perfect Teachers' Day card? Let's explore the meaning, the history, and creative card ideas you can use right now.
So, what exactly is a Teacher's Day?
It's a day to honor teachers for their guidance and contribution. In India, it's celebrated every year on September 5th.
Who do we remember on this day?
Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, a great teacher, philosopher, and second president of India. He believed that the teachers are the true nation builders.
When did Teacher's Day celebration start in India?
Since 1962, September 5th has been observed as Teachers' Day to honor Dr. Radhakrishnan. That makes it a tradition of more than 60 years.
Where is Teacher's Day celebrated?
In India, schools and colleges celebrate with events, cultural programs, and handmade cards. But globally, World Teachers' Day is observed on October 5th.
Why did we make Teacher's Day cards?
Because a handmade card is a personal way to say thank you. It shows respect, gratitude, and creativity. Even a simple card can make a lasting memory for your teacher.
How can you make the perfect Teacher's Day card?
Here are the quick tips. Use bright colors like yellow, blue, or red. Add a meaningful quote. A teacher takes a hand, opens a mind, and touches a heart. Personalize it. Write one line about how the teachers inspired you. Get creative with origami, drawings, or 3D pop-up effects.
But how does a simple card really matter?
Because teachers don't just remember grades, they remember gestures. A thoughtful card is something they will keep for years, reminding them of their impact.
So, now you know the meaning of Teacher's Day and how to make card that truly stands out.
What message would you write on your Teacher's Day card? Comment below and share your ideas. And don't forget to subscribe for more creative trending content.